Hello, everyone. Have you ever thought about how the smallest choices can make the biggest impact on your life? The food we eat plays a crucial role in determining not just our daily energy levels, but also how long and healthy our lives can be. Every bite we take has the power to either fuel our vitality or drain our energy. Imagine if something as simple as snacking could be a game changer for longevity. That's right. Today, we're diving into the concept of snacking for longevity, a smart, easy, and delicious strategy to enhance your well-being. The right snacks can fuel your body, prevent disease, and help you live a vibrant, active life. But how do we make the best choices? Let's embark on this journey together and discover the secrets of longevity through mindful snacking. 1. Unlocking the science behind snacking. Snacking isn't just about satisfying hunger between meals. It's a powerful tool for maintaining a healthy metabolism and overall well-being. The right snacks help regulate blood sugar levels, keeping you energized and focused throughout the day. When blood sugar spikes and crashes due to poor food choices, it leads to fatigue, mood swings, and even long-term health issues such as diabetes and obesity. By choosing nutrient-dense snacks, you can prevent sudden fluctuations and maintain steady energy levels. Moreover, smart snacking ensures that your body receives essential nutrients that may be missing from regular meals. Many of us have busy schedules, making it difficult to get a well-balanced intake of vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Snacks rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats can fill those gaps, ensuring optimal health. But here's the key: snacking should be intentional, not impulsive. Instead of reaching for processed junk food loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, making mindful choices can significantly impact our health and longevity. So, how do we choose the best snacks for longevity? Let's find out. 2. Welcome to the world of powerhouse snacks. These aren't just ordinary munchies. They're nutrient-packed foods designed to fuel your body, protect against chronic diseases, and promote longevity. Here are some of the best options and why they should be part of your daily routine. Nuts and seeds. A handful of almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants, reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Omega-3s in walnuts, for example, are excellent for brain function, while chia seeds are rich in fiber and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies suggest that regular consumption of berries can improve cognitive function and protect against age-related diseases. Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. This protein-rich snack is excellent for gut health, thanks to its probiotics. Adding a drizzle of raw honey provides natural sweetness and antibacterial properties, while nuts enhance satiety and add crunch. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. Pairing them with whole grain bread ensures a steady release of energy and a boost in fiber intake, aiding digestion and reducing cholesterol levels. Dark chocolate with nuts. A delicious and indulgent treat that's high in antioxidants and great for heart health. The key is choosing dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao to maximize its health benefits while keeping sugar content low. Hummus with veggies. Chickpeas and hummus are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Pairing it with colorful vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers ensures a crunchy, nutrient-dense snack that keeps you full longer. Variety is key. Mixing up your snacks ensures you receive a broad spectrum of nutrients, keeping your body strong and thriving. The best part? These snacks are not only nutritious, but also incredibly delicious and easy to prepare. The snacking revolution, transforming your daily routine. Now that we know which snacks to choose, let's talk about how to incorporate them into our daily routines effectively. Here are some practical strategies to make snacking a health-boosting habit. Plan ahead. Keep healthy snacks readily available to avoid reaching for unhealthy options. Prepare snack portions in advance and store them in small containers or resealable bags to make them convenient and easy to grab. 3. Timing matters. Eating snacks between meals helps maintain stable energy levels and prevents overeating at main meals. Mid-morning and mid-afternoon are great times to refuel your body without interfering with meal digestion. Portion control, while healthy, even the best snacks should be enjoyed in moderation. Overeating nuts, for example, can lead to excess calorie intake. A balanced portion ensures that you get the benefits without unnecessary weight gain. 4. Listen to your body. Snack when you're truly hungry, not out of boredom or stress. Mindful eating helps you recognize your body's signals and prevents emotional eating. Experiment and enjoy. Try new combinations and flavors to keep your snack choices exciting and sustainable. Swap processed snacks for homemade versions with fresh, natural ingredients. Making small changes in your snacking habits can lead to long-term benefits, helping you stay energized, focused, and healthy. Snacking your way to a longer lefeso. What's the big takeaway? Snacking, when done right, is a powerful and enjoyable way to support longevity. By making smart choices, you can boost your energy, improve your health, and pave the way for a longer, more vibrant life. Remember, longevity isn't about restrictive diets or depriving yourself. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods, at the right times, in the right portions. Snacking mindfully allows you to enjoy delicious treats while fueling your body with essential nutrients. 5. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick journey around the world to explore 10 famous snacks enjoyed globally. Edamame, Japan. Young soybeans packed with protein and fiber. Guacamole with tortilla chips, Mexico. A heart-healthy avocado dip rich in good fats. Medjool dates with almond butter, Middle East. A naturally sweet and nutritious energy booster. Bruschetta, Italy. Whole grain bread topped with tomatoes, basil, and olive oil for an antioxidant-rich snack. Kimchi, Korea. Fermented cabbage loaded with probiotics for gut health. Seaweed snacks, Asia. Light, crispy, and full of minerals like iodine for thyroid support. Cottage cheese with pineapple, Russia. A protein-packed dairy snack with natural sweetness. Roasted chickpeas, India. A crunchy and flavorful high-protein snack. Apple slices with peanut butter, USA. A satisfying combo of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Pita with tzatziki, Greece. A refreshing yogurt-based dip with herbs and cucumbers. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite powerhouse snacks for longevity? Drop a comment below and share your go-to-healthy bites with us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Here's to a healthier, longer, and happier life, one smart snack at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.